Hi, this is Parul Trivedi Shah from India Say Media based in Singapore. India Say Media was launched in 2007 in Singapore and is the first media company catering to the Indian diaspora in Singapore and in Southeast Asia. Until the corona pandemic, India Say magazine was carried by Singapore Airlines and the regional airlines, the only Indian publication to have been widely distributed. Today, India Say brings you in conversation with the cast of Maharani web series on Sony Live.
So, Amit, how long has it been? If I start gushing about your role, then it will, the thing will become very different. So, congratulations. And,
Thank you very much.
If I'll say I'm getting hooked to it, what will you say?
I would say we've done our job well.
So there's lots of different things about the Maharani, Bihar politics.
Yeah.
A lot of familiar incidents that have happened, and that's there all over in the mind. And things keep coming back as you go through the series, and you say, "Oh no, not again!" And then, of course, the female political lead, and in the midst of all that, suave politicians, and the Bihari Hindi.
Yeah.
And the caste-based, ruthless pace of politics.
Yes, unfortunately it is. So, I mean, we all know about it. So
what has it brought out in you?
What it has brought out in me is, like with every character that I play, and it's like some kind of catharsis that happens, and you say things that the character is saying, but it opens up something inside you, and it evolves you as a person, and that is what I try and achieve from all the characters that I do. And because acting is a very for me is a very cathartic uh, profession, and I try and be as honest as possible with all the characters that I play. So yeah, it enriches you. It enriches your soul.
Oh yes. So have you been connected with Bihari Hindi before? Have you done things in the past?
Yeah, I mean, I've tried it during Jamtara, so it's not alien to me. Plus, I'm from UP myself, so Bihari Hindi is not very far from UP Hindi. So, I mean, Bihar is
all the Magdi, Maithili, Bhojpuri, everything thrown in.
Maithili, and Bhojpuri. Yeah, of course, they sort of veer off in a different direction. But if you talk about Hindi, then the essence is quite similar between Bihari and UP.
So you're enjoying it like a home thing?
No, it's not like enjoying it as a home thing. It's more so about enjoying the character that I'm playing,
which is a bit different, which is coming at a more reformed, not reformed, I should say, at a more polished level, and it's your character is being portrayed as somebody who's feeling also more elevated than compared to the rest, because of the background that the character comes from, the Naveen Kumar.
Yeah, yes, that's true. That's true, and
it's a stark difference as well.
I think this is exactly what the creators and the director intended, and the writers intended, that that Naveen is an educated guy. He actually believes in doing good for the state and his constituency. But because politics is a very complex place to operate in, and a dirty place at the same time, uh, a very manipulative place to operate in. So I mean, you can't be you can't be a straight person and operate in a crooked environment. So I mean, it's given that he'll have to behave exactly the way his contenders are behaving, so that he gets an edge over them.
Okay, so you did you have to still work hard to pick up the phrases, the diction, and the pronunciation to get it more
Yeah,
correct?
yeah, I think this was one of the most challenging things that I've done, and because the language has a certain rhythm to it, and it's political language. When you hear speeches and when you hear Naveen or any other character for that matter, operating in that environment, and it's very politics specific. So yeah, there was a lot of preparation that one has to go through as an actor to achieve that kind of demeanor and that kind of a personality of a politician.
Okay, now the crucial thing is that the series is being shot during the pandemic, and people are wondering, wow, this is still coming out at this time frame, and we get to enjoy. Of course, we are lucky that we are getting to see it in this time where pretty much everything else has been seen, and we are struggling to find new, fresh things to entertain us. So
Yeah, I mean, that's the state of affairs nowadays, isn't it? Like it's funny because the audiences and the fans and they binge watch one series and then they get in touch with the actors. They get in touch with me, asking me for a second season, as if it's a piece of cake. As if as if we'll finish one and the second one will be ready. So I mean, those are the times, interesting times we're living in, and people are content hungry, and because there's probably nothing better to do, and now everything is starting to open up again. So probably they'll be a little more patient than
yes,
before.
yes. So what has been the challenges in terms of working for you?
I have not paid much heed to it, because and I don't dwell into it too much, because whatever challenges I've faced, exactly the same challenges have been faced by other actors, and who are successful now, who've achieved something, a place in the work environment, in the industry. So I think it's challenges are part and parcel of life, and I firmly believe that uh, life should be full of challenges and surprises, and life shouldn't be easy. And when you get a hold of life after working hard at it, then it's another form of satisfaction. And if life was easy and work was easy, then there is no satisfaction in it.
So welcome to Huma.
Yeah.
Hi, so Huma and Parul.
Hi.
This is Amit.
Hi, Amit. Nice
And
to meet you.
Hi, Uma.
I've seen you somewhere before. You seem very familiar. Where have we met?
Yeah. You too. I think on the sets several times.
Sets of Gangs of
Maharani.
Wasseypur.
No,
Gangs
that
of
was
Wasseypur.
Nawaz. That was Nawaz.
Oh, correct.
So
It's
we are
so
a
fun.
the Singapore-based magazine, India, which was the first lifestyle magazine for the Indian community. It ran a monthly print for 10 plus years and taking a rest now. So it's online. And yeah, thanks to people like you, we are giving Indians some, as Amit just said, binge watching. And if I'll
And
start gushing
gossip.
about all of you, I'll this interview will just be about how much you got me hooked to this.
Ji.
So yeah, very happy. Huma, my question is
Ji.
to you. Amit has just answered that Maharani, female political lead, Bihar, already exciting. And then there is the caste-based ruthless politics, and then the pace, the fast pace, the Bihari Hindi. So what has it brought out in you? What is, how has it changed you? What has
How has it
happened?
changed me? Well, I mean, I feel you always say that an actor pours himself or herself into a role, but I also feel, and I've experienced that in my own life, that sometimes you play a character, that character leaves some impressions on you as well. Saying those lines also transform you in a very strange way, and I don't know, and when it's a very weird thing. You have to experience it as an actor, I guess. So with Rani, I think with Rani Bharti, what happened is that there is a certain inherent simplicity and authenticity in her. वो बहुत ही simply कुछ बोल जाती है. मतलब you think it's very silly or very stupid or very naive, but it sort of makes a larger point. And actually, while doing those lines and performing that character, I realized that sometimes as people we complicate things in our head. Should I say this? Should I not say this? How will it sound? Is this a very stupid question? So I think playing that empowered me strangely because I'm like, nothing is stupid. A question is a question. If you don't know, ask. If you're feeling confused, say it. If you're feeling scared, express it. Like if you're feeling sad, cry. It's really not that big a deal. Sometimes we overcomplicate things in our own head. So I think playing Rani Bharti just helped me be a little more authentic in my life.
And the new experience for you in terms of Bihari politics?
That I'm still grappling with. That will take me a few lifetimes to get there. May not happen in this one. So if you have any specific Bihari politics questions, I think Amit, or actually better Subhash, you should ask him.
Yeah, don't ask me.
He's
Yeah.
responsible.
No. Let's not get into. Let's just stay and get people to enjoy and see. Let's not discuss politics. Let's just discuss
Because
you
in
guys.
Bihar politics, we are both Angutha chaps.
Yeah.
Zero.
I think, isn't it? I think you'll be a little more happier. Just staying and doing all the different kinds of roles that you do and enjoy that. Then get into that kind of ruthless life. So, Huma, here's another question for you: is that you have raised several bars, not one, several bars, by preparing and enacting the role of Rani Bharti. So what is it? How did you prepare yourself for all those rituals? And I'm looking at it and I'm saying, wow, do I even understand all this? For me, no, because I'm a Gujarati, so all those things don't come. But still, there's a lot of rituals and a lot of other things that's quite intrinsic regional.
Well, how did I prepare for it? To be honest, like I don't have that kind of understanding about those rituals, what they really mean. But the good thing about our script was, and the good thing about the writers and the creators of the show are, that they wanted to create characters that people could identify that. And when you're trying to make a show, and any show, you have to place it in a certain context. Who are these people? Where do they live? Where do they come from? What do they believe in? Which gods do they pray to? What do they eat? So I think these are very important questions to answer. I mean, I find it very like I don't relate to characters that you suddenly see pata nahi kahan se aa gaye. They just dropped out of thin air in isolation. You don't know their journey. Like the moment Naveen comes or Bhima Bharti comes, they're coming from a certain place. They've had
Oh,
experiences.
they look as if they are prepared people. They're people who've been there all along, and they're just coming
They look
before you.
like they look like people with journeys, no? They look like people who had a history of past. They were born, they had parents. They don't suddenly appear out of nowhere. So I think that was a very important. I think that
And
is
it's also a cold-bloodedness that as seasoned politicians one portrays. That I think, Amit, you have been successful in doing that. There is a cold-bloodedness to to your approach.
He's a
Of
cold-blooded
the character.
man.
I'm a cold-blooded person only.
Very cold-blooded. It's very easy for him. He wakes up and he's like, yeah, this is.
Oh, okay. Then you would fit right into Singapore. Singapore is a very cool, very cold place. There is
You should
no
go to
ruthless
Singapore.
politics. Sorry.
I've been there. I've been there a long time back. for a couple of days. So I know a bit about Singapore, but no, I would love to go and live there for some time and get
Please
a
come. We only
grasp
have
of it.
21-day quarantine. Please come.
21 days.
I'm leaving this Sunday and I reach Sunday night, and I'll begin 21 days in a hotel where you can only open your room door, pick up your meals, and shut the door.
Yeah, well, I'll see you later then. I'm not.
Okay.
Just email me.
Yeah. So how easy is it to pick up Bihari Hindi, Huma, for you? Amit has already shared his.
Answers. Cut, copy, paste.
No.
No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking.
As easy for you because he's from UP, so nearer to home.
I'm a Delhi girl. I was born, brought up in Delhi. My mother is Kashmiri.
Yes.
So I have one half of my family in Kashmir. So I actually have no Bihari connection like that. But I think I'm a good mimicry artist. So if I listen to people talk a certain way, I tend to pick it up really well. So I think that that is how I picked up my Bihari. I think all these amazing actors were talking in that lingo all the time. Plus Subhash sir speaks that way really well, and Nandan, our writer, also, he is a Bihari. So I think these guys really helped me, with my diction and my approach towards
So
the
it's a constant improvisation when you're doing your dialogue, Tilly?
It's a constant improvement, yes, when you're doing a dialogue, because I guess what happens sometimes in the flow of emotion, you may say a word a particular way, but if it's repeated, you will say it a different way. So you have to keep coming and correcting yourself. But I think what was important is that the creators of the show didn't hold us back as actors. Like, they didn't hold back a good performance or a felt performance purely if they thought one word was mispronounced or whatever. I think they were going for authenticity of feeling as opposed to pure diction.
And what about your fears, the pandemic-related fears when shooting in this time frame? Because we are getting entertained, and you're working.
Yeah, we are the only lot of crazy people between both the lockdowns in India. We managed to finish this whole series.
So thank you for being that craziness, we are enjoying it.
And we appreciate the love we are getting. Yeah, I think, Amit, we heard it last lockdown, beginning of last lockdown, we all heard the script and we read it and we agreed to do it. And I think as soon as we opened things out, sometime in November, we went on floor. And literally 10 days before the second lockdown, we finished filming. And I don't know how we managed to dub and finish post-production. It's really, I mean, full credit to, Sony Live and Kangra Talkies and the whole team, how they managed to pull it together. So ho gaya, matlab.
Yeah, but hundreds of people all around.
Plus, we are fearless people,
Fearless.
Plus, we are fearless people. We are warriors.
A lot fearless because we are looking at what age is this? There are no masks. There is no semblance of any pandemic, and so it was.
No, I mean, everybody got tested. We, of course, followed all safety protocols and procedures. Everybody got tested periodically, and we made sure that social distancing, etc., was followed on set. As actors, once you put on makeup, then you can't really wear a mask. But everybody around was constantly, being monitored, and we were trying to be as safe as possible.
And you can't be fearful and then keep on shooting, because that's not easy then.
How can you? Rani Bharti is not fearful, no?
So how do you see the series progressing?
Sorry, we keep having a little banter on the side.
I'm enjoying it. I'm telling you, I'm enjoying it. How do you see this series progressing, Amit?
How do I see it? I think it's progressing really well, and it's got a really, really good word of mouth, and people are warming up to it, and the feedback is just amazing. I think in the times to come, many, many, many more people will watch it.
Many people like me will talk about it.
Thank you.
You are talking about it.
I've been asking people. I said, guys, are you on Maharani? You're not? Well, then you're an odd one. So that's where I started. I wanted to know how is Singapore doing up. You guys even know. So here is my question: is Singapore is still warming up, getting to know, because it's an app-based web series. So the more popular Netflix and Singapore has works in a very different way than India. So Netflix and Prime are more common, and the rest, Hotstar and Sony Live, now we are catching up on our own apps. So what would you like to tell the Singapore viewers? What message would you like to give?
Please watch Maharani. It's a very good show. It's amazing because we are in it. But apart from that, it's a good story and it's a good story. I think it'll keep you hooked. And yeah, we may be a little partial to it because it's our baby, but I think a lot of time, energy, effort has gone into making it, and I think people are really connecting with it at an emotional level. So please watch it and discover it for yourself.
So if Huma is going to sell it like that, then we need some more bits. Just saying that because you are there and we watch it, yes. But what is Maharani?
Maharani is Huma. Huma is Maharani. That's what it is.
So Huma, Maharani of what? Tell us. Give these people a recording, and that's how they are going to. It's going to go. So yeah. So that pitch.
It's gonna go as like a televised thing.
Yeah.
Let me tell you the story of season 2. So in season 2, basically Bhima Bharti and Naveen, they find a coalition, and you eventually discover that really they were the Sahib together. So now Maharani has to basically fight both of them together. That, I'm sorry, Sony Liv will be very upset that I've revealed season 2, but that is really
okay. No, I'm still getting people to catch on to season 1 and become Sony Live Premier membership, right? We are talking about
yes.
About how do you watch it otherwise?
On Sony Live, the Premier membership, it's available on Android and iOS as well. And of course, Singapore, we've launched. So, I mean, people now in Singapore, in the UK, US, New Zealand, they can all watch it. So please watch it. I'm sure you will connect to it. And yeah, it's a story of a woman who's illiterate and how she sort of is nominated by her husband, played by Soham, a politician named Bhima Bharti, and she nominates her to be the next CM. And she's completely at odds. And of course, Amit plays this wonderful character called Naveen Kumar.
loving character.
Adversary. plays a very able adversary, and it's that cat and mouse game of like political intrigue and drama.
Yeah. Except for the confidence vote, right?
Yeah, well, that's what politics is about: confidence and no confidence.
Right? and I think that's the kind of sharpness of the character of Maharani that people want to watch. It's those little bit of winning strategies that kicks in your inner goodness and says, "Wow, yes, that character is me," and I wanted to push against the odds. Isn't it, Amit?
I think you're talking about the acting prowess of Huma Qureshi. I think
it's a storyline, and it's Huma kicking.
She's unable to say thank you. She can't take compliments.
Saying thank you.
So, Huma, I really got subscribed to this because of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
And I'm saving after 5 episodes. I'm saving it because I need to get it through the 21-day quarantine by watching this.
I'm so grateful, and I'm so glad that we were able to make your quarantine less painful. So.
Yes. So how many seasons have been shot so far? Is that only one season on air, and the second is slated to go soon on the viewing platform?
Yeah, we've only shot
one season, and I think the rest of it, the best people to answer that would be the creators and Sony Liv.
So
we are just mere actors. We have no idea what's going on.
Sony Liv has just messaged me. They're only waiting for your date. They think you don't have any date because you're doing so many shows. You're the busiest actor in the country.
Me.
Yeah.
Right.
You have Kathmandu Connection, Jamtara. You have at least 12 shows. You've told me, like, how do we get your dates, sir? We can't have season
Right.
2 without you. So you have to give us a
Right.
date on
Right.
priority.
And all my dates are available for Maharani.
Recorded है ना ये सोनी ले वालों.
हाँ.
So you are at your home in Delhi, Huma, and Amit is in Mumbai.
So I'm in Mumbai as well.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. So am I.
I'm in Mumbai.
Okay.
And we are not in quarantine.
Yeah, I know. I'm not either. So I was, yeah, that's very nice. Guys, it was lovely talking to you, and I don't want to spill any more beans because we want people to watch this most intriguing Maharani rising up, from a rural level and bringing that edge, that sharpness that only a woman. Sorry, Amit. But that only a woman can, can bring forth, can kick all the, let's use all the good
Of
words. Let's
course.
kick
Of course.
everything.
Yes. Of course.
Okay, and and manage the cows and the home and all these guys who just want to fight and bicker and all that. So yeah, cheers to you.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
Maharani,
Thank you.
guys,
Thank you so much,
and
ma'am.
and the guy who wants to become a Maharaja but has to be in the shadows still. Wish you guys
Yeah,
all the best.
I'm on the path.
We'll be watching you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
All the
Thank you.
best. Lovely to see you guys.
Bye.